Some mornings feel soft and peaceful. My heart feels warm and calm. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sadaf Easy English. Let us learn English with a simple and beautiful story. Today is Valentine's Day. It feels like a gentle and happy morning. This day is special for me because love feels close and real. I want to enjoy this lovely day and share it with you. Spending time together makes me feel thankful and happy. Love makes simple moments feel important. Today, I am going on a romantic journey. I am excited to make new memories. Traveling feels more beautiful when the heart feels light. Every place feels kinder and warmer. I start packing my bag slowly and carefully. I want this journey to feel easy and stress-free. I pack a small gift with me. It reminds me that love travels everywhere. This Valentine trip will become a sweet memory, a story I will always remember. The airport is busy, but my heart feels calm. I feel relaxed and safe. Waiting here feels peaceful. Time feels slow and gentle. The plane is ready, and so am I. A new adventure is about to begin. I look outside the window. My heart feels excited and hopeful. This journey is not only about travel, it is about feelings and beautiful moments. Finally, I arrive in Italy. The air feels fresh and welcoming. The weather is warm and pleasant. It makes me smile without any reason. Old buildings stand quietly around me. They look strong, beautiful, and full of stories. Walking through these streets feels magical. Every step feels calm and romantic. The city feels alive, yet peaceful. I want to enjoy every moment slowly. I stop at a small cafe. It looks cozy and inviting. Sitting here feels relaxing. Watching people pass by is calming. The smell of coffee feels comforting. Quiet moments like this feel special. Later, I visit a restaurant. The place feels warm and friendly. There are many choices on the menu. Everything sounds delicious. I choose pizza and pasta. Italian food feels perfect for today. The food looks colorful and fresh. Sharing food makes the moment happier. The pizza smells amazing. The pasta feels rich and comforting. I feel truly happy right now. This day feels beautiful and complete. Now I am in Venice. The water looks calm and peaceful. Old houses near the water look magical. The city feels like a dream. Sitting quietly and watching the view feels unreal. My heart feels full of joy. This Valentine journey feels unforgettable. Thank you for being part of this story. Keep learning with Sadaf Easy English. Simple English. Soft stories, real feelings.